welcome to our channel. So today we are super excited to bring a new video for you about hair, and we're going to be doing her hair today, and I thought it was important to share that what we are doing with you on the channel. So what we're going to be using is coconut milk on her hair. Okay, and I've been using this on her hair for a while now, and it's been working really well. Before, her hair was very brittle and unmanageable, really dry so fast after washing it, no matter what I did. Since starting to use the coconut milk, we've been seeing length retention, stronger hair, and I thought I would share that with you on the channel. So if this is something that you're interested in, please hit the subscribe button and also like this video for more contents to come. This is the coconut milk that I'll be using. You can use any type that's available to you. I'm gonna measure a few teaspoons. You can judge how much you need depending on the length of your hair and the thickness of your hair. Okay guys, so this is the last amount that I have in this can. So I've been using it for a while on her hair. So make sure you mix it, okay, so that way there's no curls or anything like that. Now here's her hair. It's separated into 4 sections, and I'm just gonna grab an amount of the coconut milk and just start applying it to her hair. Now it's best if it's cold or just at room temperature, because it does have oil in it and you don't want that to be dripping all over you or your child. So have it in the fridge for at least 10 minutes and then start applying it to the hair, but not too freezing cold, okay? Yeah, so here make sure that you separate the hair with your hand as you're going through. Her hair wasn't well detangled, so I'm not using any tools to separate it. I'm just using my hand, so that way I don't cause any tension or for it to hurt, okay? Now make sure all this section of the hair, including the very end of the hair, is well coated with the coconut milk. And then go ahead and give her scalp a good massage, or your scalp a good massage. It's gonna help with blood flow, blood circulation to the scalp, thus encouraging your hair to grow and be stronger. Now if you're doing your child's hair, make sure you cover her with something, so that way when it falls, it doesn't have to fall on her. She hates getting dirty and it kept falling on her, so that was an issue for us. And now with the back, make sure you get the nape really good, and also give it a good massage, okay, so that way we encourage it to stay healthy and to prevent breakage as well around the nape area, because that gets a lot of friction from clothes, from, you know, the nape is very fragile. So make sure you massage it really well and continue to separate the hair to make sure that the coconut milk is touching every strand and is on the scalp everywhere, okay? Now here I'm on my last section, so just make sure you continue to massage it in and stuff like that, guys. That's all I did. I make sure I saturated the ends and everything, okay? And I did leave it on for 15 minutes, and then I went through and washed her hair. Okay, so that's it. I'm done. I used all of it, and this is her hair. And once I was done, I just stretched it, I finger detangled a bit, and then I let it sit on her hair for 15 minutes, and then I went through and washed it out. Okay, this is her hair after washing. It feels so amazingly soft. I can't even speak on how soft her hair was. It was really nice, very smooth. and I detangle it in the shower, so you can see how shiny her hair is, how beautiful it is. So give it a try on your daughter's hair or your hair. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please leave any comments that you have for me below. Thank you.